Hi friends, good morning. Myself Rajesh from Samved School. Today we are going to understand another small topic, that is nucleophiles and electrophiles. So what is nucleophiles and what is electrophiles? The reagent which brings electron pair, means donate electron pair, can donate electron pair, is known as nucleophile. Try to understand my word. The reagent which brings, means which can donate electron pair, is known as nucleophile. Nucleophile is attracted by nucleus. Nucleus is positive, so nucleophile must be negative, and nucleophile must have electron pair. Nucleophile is attracted by nucleus. Nucleus is positive, so nucleophile must be negative. And nucleophile can donate electron pair. When nucleophile donate electron pair to another reagent, the reaction is known as nucleophilic reaction. Same way, electrophile, you can easily understand that electrophile means can accept electron pair, means can takes electron pair, and it is attracted to, this is electrophile, so attracted to electron. Electron is negative, and if negative is electron and its attraction with positive, so electrophile must be positive. This is electron rich reagent, and this is electron deficient reagent. This electrophile required electron pair, so it is electron deficient reagent, and this reagent can donate electron, so this is electron rich reagent. This is electron deficient reagent. This is always minus because it is attracted by nucleus. This is always plus because it is attracted by negative ion. Nucleophile attack on the center of electrophile. Nucleophile attack on the center of electrophile, and this reaction is known as nucleophilic reaction. Electrophile is attack on the center of nucleophile, so this is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophile is always electron rich reagent, so hydroxide ion is electron rich reaction. It is also neutral. Suppose it is H2O, there is electron pair is present. Cyanide is also Cn minus, electron pair present on it. So electron rich reagent is known as nucleophile and electron deficient reagent is known as electrophile. Nucleophile attack on the center of electrophile substrate or reagent. The reaction is known as nucleophilic reaction, and electrophile attack on the center of nucleophile. The reaction is known as electrophilic reaction. Nucleophile is electron rich reagent. It can donate electron pair, so it is always negative, and electrophile is electron deficient reagent, so it always require electron pair, so it is always positive. Hydroxide ion, cyanide ion is negative ion, so it is nucleophile. H2O is also electron rich neutral compound, so it is also nucleophile, while carbonyl ion is deficient of electron pair, so it is electrophile, and carbocation CH3 plus, it is also electron deficient reagent, so it is also electrophile. Electrophile having sextet, and electrophile nucleophile is always octet. There must be 8 electron after having compound, and there must be 6 electron after forming electrophile. And transferation of electron pair is shown by the curved air. This is half-headed curved air. It is for the free radical, and this is the electron movement from electrophile to nucleophile or from nucleophile to electrophile, and it is shown by curved arrow. Electron rich reagent is nucleophile and electron deficient reagent is electrophile. Reagent which making by nucleophile, then it is nucleophilic reaction, and reaction which is made by electrophile, that is known as electrophilic reaction. Some reagent which are negative is always electrophile. Some reagent which are positive is always electrophile. Nucleophile means attracted by nucleus, means it must be minus because nucleus is plus. Electrophile means attracted by electron, electron is minus, it means electrophile must be positive or electron deficient element or reagent. So very simple, very easy. Follow textbook, read textbook and watch my video lecture 2-3 times. I am confident that you can easily understand. See you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Send me homework with table. Thank you.